We see increasingly a very wicked world where there's a lot of uncertainty, conflicts of interest, and too little action.
The Earth rotates on its axis in space, surrounded by stars. Uppsala is marked out, and we zoom in on a skyline with Uppsala Castle.
My name's Neil Powell. I'm the program coordinator for a rather new master's program called Implementation, Transformative Learning and Sustainability.
First year student Sophie.
It's very outstanding for this master's program that it really embodies what it is teaching. So we are going to nature and we are actually implementing it in the group. We are implementing the methods that they are trying to teach us. So my name is Sophie and I'm from Berlin. And right now I'm starting a new job at the Heinrich Böll Stiftung, which is the political foundation of the Green Party in Germany.
We have the introduction week because, in fact, this is an online program, it's a distance program. We have the introduction week so people can actually come together and meet each other in person here in Uppsala, which is where the master's program is being run from.
A group of students from the master's program meet during the introduction week, looking happy. They take a bus and head out into the country. A student carries 2 bags in one hand and a pillow under her arm. She walks into a red and white cottage surrounded by trees and green grass. The students are now spreading out to find a place to sleep. Second year student Madhumita.
My name is Madhumita and I live in Stockholm. I am an Indian who moved to Sweden about in 2015 and my work brought me here. I work as an IT architect. I have always been interested in the question of sustainability, what it means, and been anxious about how we are going to address it. And I also believe that big corporations, such as the one I work for, can do so much. But I really don't see that happening, and I wanted to make a difference there. So I thought I should start by learning, because our generation was not educated on sustainability.
My name is Magnus Florin and I'm from Helsingborg in Sweden, in the south of Sweden. My background is I worked 25 years as teacher for adults, teaching theater, teaching communication. What I discovered is that my experiences and competence are valid in another context. I think it has been valuable that we've been different ages and from different cultures and from different sectors of society. I would say that the average age is, at least in my class, a lot older than you would expect.
The students prepare dinner, barbecuing together in nature.
So the goal of the program is to produce a new cohort of change agents who, rather than reproducing the status quo as we see many of the approaches today doing, start rethinking how you actually can bring about change in such a way that doesn't lead to inequities in society.
The Earth rotates on its axis in space, surrounded by stars. As it rotates, tiny dots are spreading out into the world, representing all the students going back to their countries, studying online.